Back a few years, Patrick's workshop and I were talking on Hangouts. We were sort of brainstorming what would make for a standout project build for YouTube videos, you know, and views and all that. And just thinking of something bigger and more exaggerated, something just that'll make people stop and, you know, pause and look. So we were going back and forth with ideas, and I mentioned to him, how about a large chair in the shape of a C clamp? And he said, dude, that sounds cool. So we drew up a few sketches here and there, and we also decided to make it a Dewalt C Clamp Chair, thinking I'd bandsaw the name and attach it to the side of the clamp itself. Because of the size of this project, it can get expensive with materials. But I did have some nearby neighbors toss out a bunch of old OBS sheets. I mean, they were in good conditions, but they had no need for them, and so I grabbed those and stored them here at home until I did this project. But I had to purchase paint and thin 1/4-inch ply to skin the chair itself. So the chair would lean back slightly with a low platform base made from 2x4s. Eventually that's what we would do. Of course, I painted in yellow. Also for the seating, I plan to use some black vinyl and then wrap them boards and foam, you know, to make the cushions. So the cushions or padding would go from the seat where the legs bend and climb up all along the chair where the head is, right? And that would be the seating. Another part would be to use those cardboard concrete, you know, those pouring tubes as structure for the threaded rod that we see in C-clamps. So right above the inside of the hollow of the C-clamps threaded rod, we would have a light fixture as well that would shine down. You know, it would be good if someone was sitting there and just kicking back and reading or whatever. So to give it sort of a cool extra effect. So this is a big project, as you can see, and to be honest with you, as summer got warmer here in Florida, I sort of set the project aside and I didn't really get back to it. So it's sitting unfinished, this project is. I've had the footage in my PC for quite a while, and I decided to clear the decks and make some room for other projects and files on my PC. So I made this video showing you folks that sometimes things don't, you know, great ideas, and sometimes you put them away and things happen, and then boom. So this is an unfinished project. But, you know, we all know that happens, right? It happens to the best of us, actually. Just to reiterate, it got really hot and I just left the darn chair and kept on with other project. And when that heat wouldn't be out there, it would rain storms daily. Of course, I did tarp it, but it's too big to take indoors, and, well, that's the story of the giant C-clamp chair. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time.